In this video, I will show you the exact problem we are facing and the easiest way to fix it step by step. First, let's understand the issue. Open File Manager. Now right-click on this PC. Click on Show More Options, then select Manage. Go to Disk Management. Now we are inside Disk Management. Here, we can see 3 partitions: C drive, D drive, and O drive. Now let's create the problem. Right-click on the O drive and select Shrink Volume. Let's shrink it by 10 gigabytes. After shrinking, we now have 10 gigabytes of unallocated space. Now if we try to extend C drive or D drive, you will notice that the Extend Volume option is grayed out. But interestingly, we are only able to extend the same drive that we just shrank. Now let's move to the easy solution. Open any browser. Type MiniTool Partition Wizard. Open the official website. The first link is shown here. Click on the download button. Wait for the file to download. Now open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps shown on screen. Once installation is complete, open the application. You will now see the home page, where all your drives are displayed clearly. Now right-click on the drive that you want to extend. Select the Extend Partition option. A new window will appear. Here, you will see a drop-down option called Take Free Space From. From this drop-down, select the drive from which you want to take space. Now choose the amount of space you want to allocate. You can drag the slider or manually enter the size. Once you are satisfied with the allocation, click OK. Now click on the Apply button in the top left corner. If a pop-up appears asking for restart, simply click Restart Now. The application will automatically perform the operation. Do not turn off your system during this process. After the system restarts, open File Manager. Now check your drive. You will see that the space has been successfully allocated. Problem solved.